While there are many aspects that determine the success of an organization, the element of onboarding the new talent effectively remains paramount. Challenges in onboarding aren't new. So organizations are constantly looking out for ways that lay the right foundation between the company and the new employees. And one effective approach is rapid e-learning. In this video we'll see how rapid e-learning helps resolve onboarding challenges. Traditional onboarding can be slow and time-consuming. It demands valuable hours of both trainers and the new hires. To tackle this challenge, rapid e-learning offers the perfect solution. It enables quick development and deployment of the training material that learners can access anytime, anywhere, and from any device. This speeds up the onboarding process and also ensures effective training as well. Whether it's new employees or the existing ones, information overload is dreaded by all. But this is a major challenge when it comes to new employees. Bombarding them with a plethora of information overwhelms them, which negatively impacts the retention and recall. Rapid e-learning offers you the solution to resolve this issue by incorporating new age learning strategies. Microlearning is one such strategy that focuses on delivering information in bite-sized modules that are memorable, digestible, and easy to understand. It breaks down complex topics into manageable chunks. Keeping new hires engaged throughout the onboarding process can be tough, especially if you're still stuck on the traditional PPT presentations. To resolve this challenge, rapid e-learning incorporates various multimedia elements and e-learning interactivities. Some common multimedia elements include animations, audio, images, infographics, GIFs, etc. E-learning interactivities encompass clickable elements, drag and drop, simulations, etc. All these elements cater to different learning styles, thereby keeping the learners engaged and make the learning experience more immersive and enjoyable. Maintaining consistency in training across different batches of new employees can be a real challenge. But we cannot ignore the fact that inconsistent training leads to gaps in knowledge and performance. Rapid e-learning helps resolve this challenge in onboarding by offering standardized content to all the new employees across different batches. This enables every new learner to receive the same high-quality training, reducing variations in knowledge and skills. Hiring is an expensive process. On top of that, training the new employees further adds to the expense. And budget constraints are a real thing for many organizations. So rapid e-learning helps solve this problem as it cuts down costs significantly. In contrast to the traditional training methods that can be expensive due to materials, trainers, and venues, rapid e-learning eliminates needs for physical materials or trainers or travel expenses. This helps organizations save big while delivering effective training. And there you have it, a rundown of common onboarding challenges and how rapid e-learning resolves the challenges effectively. Got onboarding training courses to make? Reach out to us to ensure your new employees have an impactful, memorable onboarding experience. Thank you for watching. Before you go, check out the description below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.